Good evening, students. So today in this video, I will be discussing about Rani nickel. Rani nickel. So what is Rani nickel? The first question is, what is Rani nickel? So Rani nickel is an extremely active form of nickel. Active form of nickel. So how it is prepared? How it is prepared? So first question is preparation. So we take nickel aluminum alloy in 1:1 ratio and mix it with NaOH 25%, cold solution of NaOH, and is heated at 115 to 120 degrees Celsius till the evolution of hydrogen ceases. And this nickel, Rani nickel, is stored under absolute alcohol, ether, or dioxin. So these are the solvent where Rani nickel is stored. So let me write the reaction for you. Nickel aluminum alloy treated with NaOH, water will give sodium aluminate plus Rani nickel plus hydrogen. This is Rani nickel. Rani nickel. Now, some important points regarding Rani nickel is that Rani nickel is a black spongy metal powder. It is a black spongy metal powder. It is having a weak nickel hydrogen bond. It is having a weak nickel hydrogen bond, and the hydrogen is bound to the surface of the catalyst. That is the most important point. To the surface of the catalyst. Hydrogen is bound to the surface of the catalyst. Hydrogen is bound to the surface of the catalyst. It's a powerful reducing agent. Very, very important point. Powerful reducing agent. And most of the olefins, that is alkenes, most of the olefins, alkenes are also called olefins. Most of the olefins, alkenes, are reduced at room temperature. At room temperature. This you have to keep in mind. At room temperature, you will be able to reduce olefins with the help of Rani nickel. Aromatic hydrocarbons and double bonds common to two rings are reduced at high temperature, 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and high pressure. High pressure of 100 to 300 atmosphere. So even aromatic hydrocarbons and double bonds common to two rings are reduced at high temperature, that is 100 to 200 degrees Celsius, and high pressure of 100 to 300 atmosphere. So let me see some of the reactions of Rani nickel. For example, if you take propane treated with Rani nickel, you will get propane. So first example. Second example, if you take butene treated with Rani nickel, you will get butane, normal butane. Okay. propene. This is butene. If you take, so this was first example, this is second example, third example we are seeing. If you take benzene, treat it with Raney nickel at 100 degrees Celsius and 100 atm pressure, you will get cyclohexane. You will get cyclohexane, conversion from aromatic to aliphatic. So this is benzene. So benzene, I've already told you that aromatic hydrocarbon requires high temperature as well as high pressure. So temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and 100 atm pressure is required to convert benzene to cyclohexane. Fourth number. If you have phenol, then Raney nickel 120 to 150 degrees Celsius, 108 atmosphere. So this will form cyclohexanol. So these double bonds are all reduced. This is naphthalene, student. So when naphthalene is treated with Raney nickel at 200 degrees Celsius, 200 to 38 atmosphere pressure, then it forms decalene. Decalene. Decalene is also called bicyclo. Bicyclo 4.4.0 decane. So decalene is also called bicyclo 4.4.0 decane. This is a bicyclo compound. All the double bonds have been converted into single bond. When naphthalene is treated with Raney nickel at a lower temperature of 150 degrees Celsius at a lower pressure of 30 atmosphere, then whatever one of the rings of the double bonds all converts to single bond. So it becomes tetraene. This is very important. So how the effect of temperature and pressure is there? So you can see with these two examples. Let's see epoxy benzene treated with Raney nickel and heated. It forms benzene plus alkane. So how this reaction happens? This is alkoxy benzene treated with Raney nickel. It forms a phenyl carbanion plus alcohol. This alcohol in the presence of solvent, in presence of acid H plus, it forms. So when this is passed through solvent in acidic medium, then benzene gets phenyl carbanion gets converted to benzene, and this converts to alkane. So the Ar minus, that is phenyl carbanion, takes up a proton from the solvent, and alcohol is reduced by hydrogenolysis. So this way it forms alkane. So student, I'm preparing this video on Diwali day. So happy Diwali to everyone. There must be some noise coming to you of the firecrackers. Sorry for that. So I hope you can understand. If you take nitroalkane and treat it with Raney nickel at 60 degrees Celsius, the nitro group gets converted to NH2 group, so amines is formed. So nitroalkane will get converted to amines. Last reaction of this series. Benzene sulfonic acid is there, and you treat it with Raney nickel Heated, it forms benzene and plus sulfuric acid. This reaction is also called desulfonation. This reaction is also called desulfonation. So this was about Raney-nickel, student. I hope you understood. So Raney-nickel is an extremely active form of nickel. It is prepared by adding nickel aluminum alloy in 1:1 ratio to a cold solution of NaOH, 150 to 120 degrees Celsius. In the evolution of hydrogen ceases and is stored under absolute alcohol, ether, etc. It's a very black spongy metal powder. It's having a weak nickel hydrogen bond. Hydrogen is bound to the surface, and it's a powerful reducing agent. So most of the olefins are reduced, alkenes are reduced at room temperature, but for aromatic hydrocarbons and common to two rings, they are reduced at a higher temperature, a higher pressure. I've given you some of the reactions which is very, very important for you. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. This is Sandeep sir signing off. And I just want to tell you one thing more. My student Aditya has qualified NEET with 594 score. So congratulations to Aditya on his splendid performance. And I wish him all success in life. Thank you, student, for watching this video. Thank you, everyone.